So here is a short introduction to our boat. She is a Calypso 28, built in 1975, registered in 1976. She spent 20 years in the hire fleet. She's had several names. At the moment she's called Mad Knight. We didn't name her. So she's a lovely little boat for the two of us. She can sleep three. She has a double bed and a dinette that moves down to make accommodation for one extra person. As you can see, I'm fishing. So as we come through the door, you can see the dinette with all my fishing rubbish on it. This table drops down and it will comfortably sleep another person. Excuse the mess, I'm fishing today. So she's got a nice kitchen, fridge, cooker. Here's the helm area. Got a rear camera so I can see when someone's going to hit us, an echo sounder to show me the contours of the bottom. And you come through this door and here's the main bedroom. Say it's in a bit of a mess because all this stuff's normally in the dinette. A rear door. She has a cupboard for storing stuff, grandkids' life jackets. Then we have the head or the toilet. There's a little sink, toilet, and a separate shower tray. All in all, perfectly functional, decent little boat.